There are three things I like about this charming container getaway in the rural part of Pennsylvania. The first thing I like about this container getaway is the quality of workmanship. Secondly, I like the amount of lighting inside the cabin. Third but not least, the location of this amazing container cabin. It is listed as an Airbnb. You get inside the house. Look at that amount of lighting as I indicated. It's like you are inside and outside at the same time. The big glazed openings. I like that skylight. It's like you are sleeping in a spaceship, Very interesting, amazing, nice bed space. That is a distant view of the bed space. I like that skylight. Quite amazing. Yeah. That's the view from the living area. Look at that big window and that view of the rural landscape. The endless views of that greenery. Very nice. A closer view of the jacuzzi space. Another view of the jacuzzi space. That's the jacuzzi still, and you can see the rural landscape. The greenery around the building is quite encouraging. That fire pit is very nice. Stargazing at night with good weather, very nice. The outdoor space of the cabin, yeah, you can see the outdoor seating, the fire pit there, the pergola, some outdoor dining for two. There's a barbecue chico in the background, and the big glazing. The view, you saw it from inside, is quite enchanting. Yeah, that's the kitchen space. It looks so big for this space. Can you imagine all this is fitted inside a 40-foot shipping container? The open shelving, the under the counter storage. Yeah, there's a hot plate right there. There's a small fridge. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Wow, look at that wall of glass. It's like you are living outside, yet you are inside this cabin. The color white has been used throughout the cabin to create that sense or that illusion of a big indoor space. Wow, another view from inside. It's just like you are outside of the cabin. I like the choice of colors. I like the materials selection, the interplay of the white and the brown timber. Very nice. Look at this kind of lighting up there. Yeah, nice dining space. It can sit around 4 people. Quite encouraging. Yeah, imagine all these in a 40-foot shipping container. Beautiful bathroom space, spacious, well done. Yeah, a big ocean basin. There's a toilet there. Can you look at that shower? It doesn't look like it's in a small 320 square foot space. Yeah, this is a big bathroom space and it's quite encouraging. A view of the bathroom and the bedroom, very well done. Look at the floor finishes. Yeah, this timber laminates, very nicely executed, and they make the space look executive, warm and inviting. Ceiling fan, nice pendant lighting. That's the outdoor space, the greenery and the landscaping around the cabin. Outdoor seating, another view of the outdoor space. Yeah, I like these amazing cabins. Well done. The quality of workmanship, the pergola, both inside and out, is well executed. Very well executed. So what do you like about this shipping container cabin? Do you agree with my sentiments? If yes, tell me why. If no, also give us your reasons by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and you are encouraged to share it. We share amazing shipping container projects every week from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.